Prince Harry quit smoking cigarettes for the love of his life. Meghan Markle after engagement. Has Prince Harry lit up for the last time? The newly engaged British royal has reportedly snuffed out his smoking habit for his beloved fiancée, Meghan Markle. When Meghan Markle, 36, kisses Prince Harry, 33, for the first time as his wife, she won't have to worry about tasting the insides of an ashtray. Prince Harry had decided to quit for his sweetheart, especially since they're sharing a cottage at Kensington Palace. Harry has promised no smoking at all at home, a pal of Harry's tells the Daily Mail. It's not nice for Meghan as a non-smoker. So there's no more hanging out of the window for a quick puff. Harry has quit for Meghan. Good for Harry. Meghan will also appreciate it, since they are living in a rather small cottage at the moment. The two are splitting a 1,300 square feet home, meaning that the smell of a single cigarette would travel quickly throughout the home. It's a lovely, classic Victorian cottage. It's probably 2 up, 3 rooms down. It's not very big, incredibly small. Ken Wharf, a former police protection officer who clearly never had to rent a place in Brooklyn, told People. They are well restored, typical country cottages and originally used for the estate workers. In the past 40 years or so they've been accommodation for senior members of the household. Now, smoking is actually officially forbidden at the Nottingham cottage, but Harry, always the troublemaker, bends the rules for occasions, like when a dinner party was in full swing, according to the Daily Mail. However, with his health-conscious fiancée now living with him, it seems Harry has decided to ditch the smokes. Plus, the decision to quit smoking may do more than help Harry's health. It might calm Meghan's nerves. Meghan is feeling anxious about moving to another country, getting married to a royal, and completely changing her life, a source exclusively told Hollywood Life.com. Harry has vowed to protect her as much as possible, but it's still daunting, and she's aware that her life, as she knows it, is over forever. With Harry giving up smoking for Meghan, it's a huge gesture of love that may remind her of the love the prince has for her. Plus, it also means she doesn't have to smell Marlboros whenever she steps into her home. Are you glad that Harry is reporting quitting smoking for Meghan, Hollywood lifers?